up, Anointed Gang? We're back with another banger for y'all. Today we're watching some more Good Night World. I must say, episode 1 is already trippy. I'm already loving it. I'm already enjoying it. And I'm going to continue to tell y'all, bro, the peak content is here. We watching new stuff. We're watching different stuff. We're not going with the same crowd. So, like I said, comment down below what y'all want me to watch. But already we seeing Ichi, his pops, his brother Ah, and his mama, which they haven't seen in years. They're actually all together playing in the game. He hates his dad in real life. He don't really rock with his little brother, but somehow they all are playing the game and don't know that that's actually them. So this game is trippy. This anime is trippy, but I'm already loving it. So if you're new, subscribe, hit that like button, send this to your friends and your family, and let's get into it. Chip! Like, that threw me off, like how that ended last episode, bro. I was completely thrown off.
ま、大したことねえよ。全部俺が蹴散らす。
3000人の海賊をいちいち相手にしてたら他のことができないよ。
海賊団に会いに行く。
Yeah, Pop's tripping. But I don't think them pirates really like that.
マジで乗り込むのか？
え？怖いの？
ねえよ。
メイと留守番が良かったか。
ちげえって。
Shiro look mad tall, like.
案が多い。
シガテラか。君らの船長に合わせてくれ。
奥です。どうぞ。
行かねえ。
びっくりだ。
ピコ船長、担当直入に言おう。宣戦布告を取り下げて交換条件としてうちが保有するダンジョン赤土の城と春大洞穴の所有権を譲渡する。
お前らが持ってるダンジョン全部と黄昏の丘をよこす。
Well, it's like you being a little dramatic.
厳しい条件だな。
Sure, you better not say yeah.
究極のエンドコンテンツ。幸せの黒い鳥。どのデータベースにも記載がなく、誰もがその存在には懐疑的だった。気がとうとう発表したからだ。その賞金は3億。ゲーム内通貨じゃない。
Oh, so they're kind of mixing it with real life.
シロのじいさん、あんた誰よりご執心らしいじゃん。そりゃ死んでも丘は手放したくねえよな。
黒い鳥だけじゃな。
理不尽を言ってる自覚はあるが、私らは海賊。理不尽さと傲慢がロールだ。話を聞いてやってるだけありがたく思いの。
I honestly think they could take down the whole pirate crew though.
さん。
イチをよこせ。
イチさんを？
条件はこれに尽きる
わ。Oh, Ichi gonna be a pirate?
さあ、
Oh, that's gonna be kind of lit. Ichi look like a pirate.
あいつに家族ごっこなんて似合わない。
ざっけんな。このストーカー女。てめえの下につくくらいならキャラデリした方がマシだ。
なんだ、やっぱ来てたのか。
Oh, so she like Ichi in real life. Who is? I gotta see who this chick is.
でも丘を手放すのに比べれば破格の条件かも。
ああ、てめえ。
冗談だ。
I low-key feel like he gonna do it.
マクロ起動爆裂剣。
Oh, never mind. I was wrong.
こいつはうちの要だ。
Yep. Because his dad would never say that in real life, right?
戦争だ。
よくも私たちの船を撃ち落としてやる。
PK は私のプレイスタイルに反するが、今は仕方あるまい。
Oh, Pops is actually him.
イチ、お前はふぬけた。昔私とコンビ組んでた頃を思い出せ。
そうだったの？
何年も前のこと蒸し返すんじゃねえ。
覚えてるぞ。あの日お前が私に吐露した底深き雨を。
What? Bark the darkness of... Wait, what?
見ろ、ピチを奪っても
Like an
俺の
endless
孤
blood
独
that
と
can
いう
never be
杯は
filled.
まだ満たされない。全てを奪う側に回るしかない。この渇きが癒えるまで俺は
I alone with my dark help shall burn the world. Oh no, yeah, no. Ichi actually was him. Why is he like this now? What happened in this Ichi?
そんなお前のために私はギルドを立ち上げたんだ。お前もこっちに来るべき。その気がねえならお前に習って私はお前を奪う。全身全霊。
Oh, that's just blind. like love at his finest.
君とイチは昔一緒にいたようだが、その頃に一度でもイチの笑顔を見たことがあるか。
ねえよ。
いつでもかかって
Not in real life though.
三千の武力を迎え撃つ覚悟と用意が我々にはある。
Yeah, I think Pops is taking like a 2,000 by himself.
ごめんな、シガ。でも、お前が提案した一家との戦争は叶ったろ。
I like this anime, bro. It's different. This is actually different. I'm rocking with it.
クソ海賊団に便乗しやがって。クソの中のクソが。
丘の全域にバリアを張り進行を防ぐとしよう。
あのアイテムで効力の底上げをするのは？
で、この魔力増幅器を要所要所に設置すると。
二人っきりで遊ぶの久しぶりだね。
遊びじゃねえよ、真面目にやる。
違くないよ、ゲームじゃん。
お前、そんなだから俺らの中で一番弱いん。それほぼシローさんと俺のイメージだからな。もっと頑張れよ。
でもネトゲ廃人なんてや、特にニートとか引きこもってやってるの。死ぬほど軽蔑する。
Oh no.
兄さんは大好きだけどリアルまで知るつもりはないよ。
Bro, the way he was talking sound like he knew who Ichi was in real life.
さすがに3日も食わねえと空腹超えて腹痛え。くそ、口の中がカラカラして粘つく。
3 days is insane.
相変わらず息苦しい世界。
They might have to start shooting up some food because like he's not even paying
こ
attention.
っちはやっぱクソだな。ろくなもんねえな。なんだよその目は。
I think the little brother knows.
蔑んでるんだろう。
I think he knows. There's no way.
こっちみんなクソ。
Not how he thinks of
腹
you,
減って
bro.
んの？金もないの？だったらバイトでも始めれば。オムライスでいいよね。
え？
好きでしょ。
Why did he have to say that? Why can't he just make the food?
兄さんの好き嫌いってイコール俺の好き嫌いなんだよね。
Yeah, now how do you feel now though? I'm calling them by their game name because we don't really care about their real world name. They Ichi and I to me.
バイトは無理でもまず外に慣れるところから始めるべきだ。
My gosh. This is not how little bro act in the
俺と一緒
game.
に買い出し行くと。
But he is trying to help him though. Like it's not like
あやのとことか。兄さんには無理か。
who's Aya? Is that the
クソのクソのクソ。やっぱクソだ。
is that the girl? The head of the pirates? It's gotta be, right?
おかえり、一二。
Wait, okay, so is that not little bro then? This is trippy, bro.
爆裂剣。
シローさん。
なんで抱きつく。
なんとなく。
お疲れ様。全滅させたの？
それでも残骸見た感じ、バトルシップが50隻はあったろ。2人でさすがだな。
2人じゃないよ。
彼らの援護があった。
Yeah, the gang is here. So them the other people that we saw.
レオン社長。
The president.
襲撃に間に合ってよかった。
よく言うぜ。てめえも3億狙ってんじゃねえの。
3億なんてメンバー5000。特にドラゴンやデーモン種の素材の最大の仕入れ先なんで。
うちも紹介から魔力増幅器を売ってもらったよ。今使う。
巨大バリアを展開するつもりだ。黄昏の丘と家族を守るために。
なるほど。ただ何かあったらすぐに呼んでください。あなたがいないとこの世界はつまらない。
We find out the president is just the game designer, which it could be, you know. Usually what they kind of do with these type of shows.
バリアの効力は2ヶ月。 それまでに黒い鳥を発見する。
兄さんは3億欲しい？
おもう一生変わらないつもりか俺は。
He got the wrong ideas, bro.
純粋な探求心。
歴史に名前を残してやるって感じ。
シロさんはなんで黒い鳥を追い求めるの？
金だ。
私はお金いらないな。みんながいてみんな元気で、あとあの家があれば私はそれでいい。
俺あいつ嫌い。どっか信用できない。
彼とは付き合いが長い。嘘をつゲームは楽しめればそれでいい。そう思わないか、イチ。
まあ
I like their little family moments in the game, man. I know right now their house, their home is just like a wreck. Oh. Dang, they came and did a drive-by!
クソの太陽、海賊の仕業だ。クソったれ、出てこい、ぶっ殺す。それ
バリア？どういうことだシガ？追加で100隻も戦艦出してんだ。やっぱ一筋縄じゃいかねえな。
ピコ船長といえど相手が赤羽一家じゃ当然。
No, whoa, whoa.
あの
Oh my gosh, they're playing both sides.
ゆるいね、海賊団。
ゆるいかどうか俺を見て決めな。
Oh my goodness, the gun to his head quickly. What a quickness.
要件はって聞くまでもなかったな。一家と紹介。お前らつ
戦争やめましょうって話です。
Okay, never mind. No, he's not playing both
待ってま
sides.
す。僕らも海賊とは関わりを持ちたくありません。あなたたち低俗集団とは口も聞きたくないって言ったんです。自分さえ楽しければそれでいいと。
それがゲームだ。
ネット経由であっても生身の人間をたかがゲームという正論を振りかざして暴れるんならさ、一人でお人形さんごっこでもやってなよ。海賊ごっこ。
He really about to
あ
start
なたは
something.
エンターテイナー足りえない。
ちゃん付けやめろ。
Yeah, you just made it
もう一度言
worse.
います。停戦しは解散。
てめえのプラネット。完全に火ついた。
Wow, Pico was actually moving. I knew something was gonna happen, but I didn't think it was gonna be Pico though. He's got number 1 on him, so I know he not.
すべて狙い通りといったところか。
That's what I knew it.
兄さん、
He trying to start something.
まさか
He's trying to make it more entertaining.
探すぞ。
これが黒い鳥。
Oh man, okay. Oh, okay, y'all. Wow. What I must say is that this anime low-key hurts my head, right? Like it be trippy because some moments you be thinking like it's, you know what I'm saying, like they know each other, but then like next thing you know they don't know each other. Like they don't know that they are family. But the Ichi and his brothers encounters in real life, the stuff he be saying and what he said in the game made me like, I feel like the little brother knows that he's talking to the big brother in real life, but he not like making it known, right? Like he trying to, I don't know, like he gonna butter him up and then eventually be like, hey, this was been me the whole time. You know what I'm saying? I've been with you since day one. I don't know how that's gonna work, but like I said, the conversation that they be having making me see that. Pops is different. Pops is a trooper. I really believe that's Mom, that's May, but we gotta find out if we ever gonna actually see Mom or not. So this, like I said, this is right now. I'm giving it an 8, well maybe like 8.5, because it's making me think and it's good, and it's not a bad anime. Like it's got some good build up already. These pirates, they're really about to go to town. I think that's his old friend that he used to rock with in real life, the pirate girl. And obviously she like him, right? So she got an obsession with him. But y'all new to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button, like button. If you made it to this part, click one of the 2 boxes up on the screen, and I will catch y'all later. I gotta do a 2-part. Deuces!